6 pumpkin seeds benefits. Dietary patterns change every few years. Healthy, nutrient-dense diets are all the rage these days. Having pumpkin seeds as a salad is no longer only a popular trend. These tiny, flat, oval-shaped seeds are incredibly nutritious. It's about time we started paying attention to these tiny seeds for their numerous health advantages, because they are a good source of magnesium, iron, and fiber. So what are some of the health advantages of eating pumpkin seeds? 1. They possess anti-cancer properties. It is advisable to consume pumpkin seeds on a daily basis because they are rich in antioxidants that can fight cancer. According to a study done, pumpkin seeds extracts contain phytoestrogens. Phytoestrogens are hormones derived from plants, and they are said to have similar characteristics to estrogen. In postmenopausal women, phytoestrogens may act as a barrier against the spread of breast cancer cells. However, more investigation is required to examine the possibility of using pumpkin seeds to cure or prevent breast cancer. Also, pumpkin seed extracts and ginger extracts have been proven in other animal experiments to help counteract some of the side effects of chemotherapy. Find out if the foods in your diet increase your chance of developing cancer, and replace them. Also, consume some pumpkin seeds to counteract the danger. There are numerous advantages, in addition to preventing breast cancer, that pumpkin seeds and oil are responsible for. 2. They are beneficial for eye health. Because pumpkin seeds include ingredients that are good for your vision, they are a great snack to avoid age-related eye disorders. According to WebMD doctors, zinc and other minerals are essential for maintaining eye health and having clear vision. Zeaxanthin and lutein are important for eye health and can help stop age-related macular degeneration. For males and women, a daily zinc intake of 11 milligrams and 8 milligrams, respectively, offered by pumpkin seeds, is advised for excellent eye health. A daily dose of 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds will help you meet 19% of your required zinc needs. 3. They help control diabetes symptoms. Eating raw or shelled pumpkin seeds can help reduce blood sugar levels if you have type 2 diabetes. According to one study, an extract from pumpkin seeds can reduce blood glucose levels in diabetic rats and monkeys. Researchers concluded that more human studies should be conducted on pumpkin seed extract, since it has anti-diabetic potential. Pumpkin seeds contain minerals that regulate and maintain blood glucose levels. Additionally, mixing flax seeds and pumpkin seeds may greatly assist in reducing diabetes-related issues. Consuming a pumpkin flax seed combo has been reported to help avoid diabetic kidney damage. 4. It can improve your sleep quality. Tryptophan, an essential amino acid, is found in pumpkin seeds, which may help with sleep. Tryptophan is needed in our bodies to get ready for sleep and is abundant in pumpkin seeds. Turkey also contains tryptophan, which may help explain why you felt sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner. Niacin, a vitamin produced in the body from tryptophan, aids in the production of serotonin. Then, serotonin is a neurotransmitter that is essential for sleep and controls our sleep levels and quality, so it is crucial for those with sleeping problems to consume much of it. Therefore, increasing our intake of tryptophan through pumpkin seeds may enhance the quality of our sleep. 5. Promote hair growth. According to a study, using pumpkin seed oil may help reduce hair loss. According to another study, males with baldness who took capsules containing pumpkin seed oil experienced noticeably higher hair growth than those who did not. While more investigation is required to confirm whether the oil from pumpkin seeds actually work, it might be worthwhile to give it a shot. You can consume pumpkin seed oil orally through supplements or pure oil if you're interested in using it to treat hair loss. You can also put it on your scalp directly. Consuming more zinc, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids from pumpkin seeds may help reduce hair thinning. 6. Boost bladder and prostate health. In benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPA, the prostate gland enlarges and causes urinary issues. However, pumpkin seeds may help ease the symptoms. Eating these seeds reduced BPA symptoms, according to several human trials. In a one-year research involving more than 1,400 BPA-afflicted men, eating pumpkin seeds decreased symptoms and enhanced quality of life. According to more studies, Taking supplements containing pumpkin seeds or their derivatives may help cure the symptoms of an overactive bladder. In one trial, 10 grams of pumpkin seed extract per day improved urine function in 45 men and women with hyperactive bladders. Pumpkin seeds should always be consumed uncooked, as this will keep their beneficial components. Even though both raw and roasted pumpkin seeds have health advantages, raw pumpkin seeds are more nutrient-dense. Make sure the pumpkin seeds you buy smell fresh when you buy them. It is best to choose organic pumpkin seeds because they won't contain pesticides or other dangerous substances. Do you know of any other health benefits of pumpkin seeds? That's all from this video. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe for more content like this, and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we post another amazing video. See you in the next one.